Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2025 Subaru Ascent. Subaru has introduced the updated 2025 Ascent, a three-row SUV designed for families and adventure lovers. It combines strong performance, modern style, and advanced technology while maintaining Subaru's reputation for safety, reliability, and all-wheel drive. Fresh and modern design. The new Ascent looks sleek and tough. Updated exterior. A redesigned front grille, sharper LED headlights, and clean lines give it a bold appearance. Improved aerodynamics. The new design boosts efficiency without losing its rugged look. New colors. Options like deep ocean blue and pearl white add a modern touch. Powerful and capable performance. The 2025 Ascent is ready for any road. Turbocharged engine. A 2.4-liter boxer engine delivers 260 horsepower for smooth and powerful driving. All-wheel drive. Subaru's standard AWD ensures grip and stability in all weather and terrain. Towing strength. It can tow up to 5,000 pounds, perfect for trailers and camping gear. Fuel efficiency. Subaru improved fuel economy by using lighter materials and smart engineering. Spacious and high-tech interior. Inside, the Ascent is comfortable and full of modern features. Room for 8 people. You can choose bench seats or captain's chairs with flexible cargo space. Upgraded infotainment. A large 12.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system is available in top trims. Smart features. Subaru's EyeSight system now includes advanced lane centering and adaptive cruise control for safer driving. Safety comes first. Subaru continues to focus on safety in the 2025 Ascent. EyeSight Safety Suite. Improved cameras and sensors help with collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alerts. 360-degree camera. Makes parking in tight turns easier. Strong build. The Ascent's frame is designed for better crash protection. Perfect for families and adventures. The 2025 Subaru Ascent is made to handle all kinds of trips, from school runs to weekend getaways. With a spacious interior, advanced tech, and Subaru's trusted AWD system, it's reliable and ready for any journey. The updated Ascent proves that families can enjoy comfort, safety, and adventure all in one SUV. It's built to perform well on city streets and rough trails alike. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.